Hi there. How many of you know how to brush your teeth? I'm sure everybody knows how to brush their teeth. It's an easy task that we learned to do when we were young kids. Most of us probably got our first toothbrush at the age of 1. Of course, we weren't brushing our teeth the right way because we would have help by our parents, but we were still doing it to the best that we could. Brushing your teeth is very important. It helps prevent bad breath, stains, gum disease, tooth decay, plaque, and much more. And plus, it's recommended you go to the dentist at least well, I guess I should say twice a year for cleaning. So if you can avoid going to the dentist more than twice a year because you're taking good care of your teeth, that's such a bonus, because you don't want to end up with huge dentist bills and having to get your teeth pulled and going through much pain that you don't have to. So I'm here today to give you some 3 easy steps on brushing your teeth. So the first step is flossing. Flossing is something that a lot of people struggle with doing every day. I don't know, I used to be like that. I used to only floss every once in a while. Now I'm dedicated. I floss my teeth every single day, and I have for many years. When you're flossing your teeth, it's very important to make sure you get a long piece of dental floss and wrap it around your fingers. And when you're flossing, you want to go in between every tooth, and not just straight up and down. You actually want to go in there straight up and down, and then go around each tooth, and really dig it in so you can get all the stuff that gets stuck between our teeth. So very important you do that daily. The other thing is, when you go to the dentist office, they typically use a thicker floss. So for me, it was pretty life-changing. I can't find it in the stores. There's only a few random places I have found it, and so usually when I go to the dentist, I will stock up on it, and they're generous enough to give me some, because they know I'm doing it, so that's good for them and good for me. So when you get that thicker floss, it definitely helps get a lot more of the stuff out between your teeth. Something new it's fairly new, is that it's the water flossing. I have yet to try it. I want to try it, but they say it gets your teeth a lot cleaner, and it's a lot easier, and it's better for your teeth. So something to kind of think about and look forward to doing. If you're lazy, maybe in the morning you forget to floss, maybe that'll be a new thing. You'll start doing it and you like it. The second step with brushing your teeth is the brushing. A lot of people brush their teeth really quick, they're done, they're good to go. Most dentists will tell you that you need to brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes. In fact, my kids both, because of the dentist when they give them their little to-go packs, they each get a timer every time, and that timer is a 2-minute timer. So really get in the habit of brushing for 2 minutes. It's really good. I'm glad my kids are learning early enough and they know how to do that. Also, when you're brushing, change out your toothbrush. Don't keep the same toothbrush for, I would say, I'm guilty of this. I've kept my toothbrush for a long time, and they say you should really change out your toothbrush every maybe 30 to 60 days. So go ahead and start doing that. When you're brushing your teeth, really try to get every tooth. Don't just go quick 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm done. You really want to use a circular motion and hit every tooth, all sides, top, you name it, do it. And then it will be much better. Make sure you get the bottom of your teeth too. So like right by your gums, you really want to get that area as well, because that's sometimes people don't tend to do that. So very important. Also a spin brush. That is also, a lot of people just use regular toothbrush. Spin brushes will keep your teeth a lot cleaner, and do a lot of the work for you. So that's always a bonus. My kids actually especially my son who has braces, he started doing that, and it's been really helpful for many things, I guess, especially when it comes to flossing. Flossing's really hard when you have braces, so the brushing's a lot easier with the spin brush. Third step, mouthwash. I am really weird when it comes to my toothpaste, my dental floss, and my mouthwash. I don't like flavors. I don't like cinnamon or bubblegum. I am full on just mint. Something that's fresh makes my breath fresh. I don't like the flavors. It's not for me. So I have been using Crest ever since I was a kid. So that's what we use in my household today. So I have Crest Mint, and then I also use, for my mouthwash, is mint. And it really depends on your preference. A lot of the mouthwashes today have alcohol in them, or else they also have alcohol free. The ones with alcohol tend to be a lot more, I guess hot would be a good example, and so the alcohol free does not like that. It still has a little bit of a kick to it, but it's still refreshing. When you're using your mouthwash, you want to, I always am I pour mine into the cap or the cup that I would say it would be, but same thing. And pour a little bit in there and then put it in your mouth and swish it. Make sure you swish everywhere and do that for at least 30 seconds. Sometimes it's, when you get the alcohol ones, they're too hot and they do burn, so you tend to spit it out a little faster, but try to do the full 30 seconds and that's a lot more beneficial. So, and you're done. So today we have learned how to brush the proper way, and brushing your teeth in 3 easy steps, super easy. I encourage you to brush 1 to 3 times daily, just for your overall health of your teeth. It's very important to keep those teeth and keep them looking nice. So if you do that, then I think it'll be very beneficial for the long run. So thanks for listening.